These are problems 31 through 38 in the first SAT practice test for the calculator portion. And it is assignment 9 in test prep. Sometimes you get a real easy problem. And 31 relative to the rest is pretty easy. Write it out, solve it out. So 3x divided by 4 is 6. Multiply both sides by 4. Look at the denominator elimination again. They are psycho with that. So you better learn and multiply both sides by 4. Okay, here, another denominator elimination game. So this is what you're given. You can look that up. Density is equal to mass over volume. Okay, so you don't have to because they give, but you need to eliminate, multiply both sides by V and then solve it. So 4425. So this is the part of the test that you would just record the answer on also. Problem 33, what is a possible value of X? So I've got this up here. A lot of times, if you just guess and check, you can get it instead of having to do all of this to save time. Try 0. Okay, 0 doesn't work because you get 6 in here. That's not less. Try 1. Well, that's 2. 2 is not less than negative 2/3. Try 2. Well, negative 8 plus 6, that's negative 2. And that is less than negative 2/3, and it is greater than negative 3. So a lot of times just guessing and checking when they just want a single value to have something work is the quickest thing you can do. So try to kind of be a math street fighter on this game of trying to do as well as you can in the SAT. You know, it's great that you know how to step by step do the math, but you're in a time crunch here and you're trying to just figure things out as fast as possible. So sometimes guessing and checking is fine. What is the value of a squared plus b squared? That's a Pythagorean theorem. I need to know what that is, the hypotenuse. Well, the circumference is 20d. That's pi times the diameter. You can look that up. Boys and girls, you got this. Pi times the diameter. Oh, it's here somewhere. They don't quite give it. Pi 2 pi r, but it is pi times the diameter. So know that. And so r is 10, so you actually use that in this. And then d is 20. So a squared plus b squared equals 20 squared, which is 400. Here we go again with something really simple. What is the value of x that satisfies this? Here we go again, math street fighting. 16, game over. If you understand absolute value, hopefully, then you make it positive. Problem 36, this is a set of parametric equations, although you don't need to know that. What is the value of x plus y when t is 1.5? Just substitute them in. And so you get 13 and 0.5 when you do that, and then add 13.5. And then these two are, you know, a lot of this is social studies math. It's the best way to describe the SAT. Some of it is pure math, but so you're reading through all of this, and then, you know, it's asking what foreign exchange rate in Mexican pesos per dollar. So anytime you see, I learned early in my life, pesos per dollar, I'm dividing pesos by dollars. Give me a pesos amount, give me a dollar amount. I only see 2 of those. So I don't even think. It's 235 over 1862. That's the only thing you can do. And that rounds to 13 pesos per dollar. Okay, and then here, this is getting at, so you're doing this twice. How many US dollars did you lose after the 2 conversions? So you're taking $100 and you converting it once to go there and then on your way back. Okay, so then you got to go back up here. So here we go again with all of this social studies jumping around. It charges 2.5. So you need Monique's bank here, 2.5%. This conversion, the whole 3% is purchases. So it's a conversion thing. Twice $100, 0.025. And that gives $5 that she lost. So that concludes test number 1 for test prep assignment number 5.